Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make your own soil moisture sensor. So basically this is a PCB. Uh, uh, Two copper strands are connected to it, and after that it will work as a continuous circuit. When some water get into the glass which contains this soil, the circuit will continue and power up the buzzer. This is a piezoelectric buzzer. So if here is the battery cap, I will go give the 9 volt power source to it. After that, positive one is connected to the positive of buzzer. This is the buzzer polarity. This one is positive and this one is negative. So after that, 9 volt positive will be there, and ground is connected through this soil moisture sensor. When the soil become moistured, then the circuit will go continue, and negative ground will be connected to it, and buzzer will start buzzing. So let's so now we have powered up the circuit, and currently the soil is non-conducting, so we will put some water to make it conducting, and here is some water. As you will see, now the buzzer is not buzzing. As you can see, it become moistured and buzzer start buzzing.